This video tells what exactly automation is the use of largely automatic equipment in a system of manufacturing or other production process. This typically indicates PLC sensors and robots and motors and many other things for which the automated process must happen. It can save time and money for the industrial process. Here you can see the components are moved at each case. So here we will be able to go with automation for different jobs which has to be carried out. For example, a car wash which has to be done, which is automatic car wash. So the process is carried out step by step. So here you have to understand how automation works. So there are different programs where we can select to wash the car based on the programs. So first you have to wash the car with water when the driver stops. From there wash will be continue with the thorough cleaning, and with the controller will be able to go with the contents. So car will travel along the side of the wheel, and a sensor which is past the vehicle, it will go to the next stage. This says what time, water and chemical when it is going to spray with the help of nozzle by using the second program. Once the car is sprayed, the program tells to on and off each pump as it is needed. The controller then starts to clean the car. So here the only human intervention what we see is in the process is the driver selecting how the automation must work in an exact way. Each industrial process needs to be started by some other input. The input can be a sensor, push button, switch, among many other possibilities. So here with the help of the solenoid which is connected to the camera, where the input it is been done when the circuit is closed, it is going to give input voltage to the solenoid 1. PLC will then activate whatever the output program has to turn. An output can be anything that does work, such as a motor, solenoid, heater or light. In an automated process, that output will typically act as an input of the PLC and combined with other input devices or programming to keep the process running. With this program, it can act like a chain reaction with one output device starting before the next is allowed to run. This is also called as sequential starting. Automation has to have many aspects working together in order to function properly. An automated process will continue its cycle until it receives a stop signal. Then it comes from a physical input such as stop button or a sensor or something programmed like a timer. Automation is an automatic process typically controlled by computers and sensors. There is very little human intervention in the car washing process. So here sensors and switches with the controller, output devices like motor and other machineries are linked. PLC with advanced as it was programmed. Industrial robots are great examples of process automation where it is going to replace human being by doing the pick and place operation or the pallet loading. there are few PLC programming videos where we can add to the automation process.